Create a composition of 1:1. Take a new solid color layer. I am taking this color. Select ellipse tool and draw a circle with no fill color. Now Ctrl D to copy the shape layer. I am decreasing the yellow stroke size little bit. Select the another shape layer and change the color to little darker of the background color. Decrease the opacity to 42%. Now select shape layer 2, click on add and then click on trim path. Go into the trim path properties. Here I will animate the end property. Add a keyframe at the beginning and after 2 seconds add another keyframe. Keep the playback head at the beginning and put the value 0. You can see this type of animation has created. Now go into content and then click on stroke 1. Here I am changing the cap option to round. Take text tool and type 00. Adjust the position and size. Align everything to the middle of the composition. Go to Effect, search Slider Control and drag and drop over the text layer. Now go inside the text properties. Press Alt and click over the source text and parent it with slider control. Now using an expression, round, open and close parentheses. The complete expression will appear on the screen. Now add a keyframe on slider and after 2 seconds add another keyframe, and here I am putting the value 100. The progress animation is ready.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.